The iPad Mini 8, Apple's next compact beast, might just be the most exciting small tablet we've ever seen from the company. And trust me, the leaks, insider reports, and rumors paint a picture that's both futuristic and fascinating. Apple seems ready to redefine what the word mini truly means. And if these whispers are real, the iPad Mini 8 could transform from a simple, portable iPad into a full-fledged powerhouse that challenges even the iPad Pro lineup. The biggest change, and perhaps the most anticipated one, is the transition from LCD to OLED display technology. That alone is a game changer. Imagine holding a device barely larger than your hand, yet capable of showing colors so vivid, blacks so deep, and contrasts so sharp that it rivals even the iPhone 16 Pro or Samsung's flagship Galaxy tablets. OLED on the iPad Mini 8 means more than just visual beauty. It represents efficiency, clarity, and Apple's ongoing commitment to premium design even in its smallest devices. And this OLED screen isn't just about better visuals, it's about an emotional experience. Every scroll, swipe, and sketch on this display could feel alive, immersive, and fluid, something that traditional LCD panels could never fully deliver. But the upgrades don't stop there, because the heart of this device, the A19 Pro chip, takes everything to another level. The A19 Pro is rumored to be the same processor that will power the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro series, and that's wild. This means Apple is giving the Mini the kind of raw power usually reserved for its most expensive and high-end models. We're talking about lightning-fast speeds, next-generation graphics performance, and AI capabilities that make multitasking effortless. Think about running console-quality games, editing 4K videos, or working with professional design apps all on a device you can slip into a small bag or even hold comfortably in one hand. The A19 Pro is expected to be built on a 2-nanometer process, the most advanced in the world, which means incredible energy efficiency, cooler performance, and longer battery life. This combination of power and portability could make the iPad Mini 8 the ultimate companion for creators, students, travelers, and professionals alike. And it's not just about raw performance. It's about how Apple might optimize iPadOS to truly harness that power. Imagine iPadOS 19 or even iPadOS 20 bringing in new AI-driven features. Automatic background blur during video calls, live object tracking for creators, smarter multitasking where your iPad anticipates your next move, and instant syncing between devices through the Apple ecosystem. Apple's AI push is real, and the iPad Mini 8 could be one of the first compact devices to fully showcase that integration. Now, when it comes to design, don't expect a complete overhaul, but that's actually good news. The iPad Mini's current design is already iconic, small, clean, balanced, and minimalist. Reports suggest the iPad Mini 8 will keep its beloved size, hovering around 8.3 to 8.7 inches, but may feature thinner bezels, smoother edges, and maybe even new matte finishes inspired by the iPhone 16 Pro's brushed titanium texture. Apple knows that the Mini's charm lies in its simplicity, the feeling of holding pure technology stripped down to its essence. So instead of changing everything, they'll likely perfect the details. Better color accuracy, stronger materials, improved fingerprint resistance, and more ergonomic handling. And for those wondering if Apple will finally bump the refresh rate to 120 Hz with promotion, well, that remains one of the biggest question marks. Some leaks claim the iPad Mini 8 might stay at 60 Hz to preserve battery and differentiate it from the iPad Pro, while others believe Apple could surprise us with a jump to 90 Hz or adaptive refresh. Either way, OLED alone will make the experience feel smoother and more premium, so users will still feel that jump in quality. Let's talk about another thing users care about: storage and memory. The current Mini 7 maxes out at 256 GB, but new leaks hint that the Mini 8 could offer configurations all the way up to 1 TB, paired with 8 GB or even 12 GB of RAM. That's laptop-level territory. Imagine carrying a lightweight tablet that handles massive design projects, edits full-resolution photos, and runs professional-grade applications like Final Cut Pro or Logic on the go. Apple might also include Wi-Fi 7 and 5G enhancements for faster connectivity, which would make streaming, gaming, and cloud work smoother than ever. And then there's the Apple Pencil, the Mini's best friend. Rumors suggest Apple is working on a new Apple Pencil 3, with magnetic interchangeable tips, enhanced precision, and improved hover gestures. Combined with the new display, artists could experience near-zero latency and ultra-accurate strokes. For students and designers, this could turn the Mini 8 into the ultimate pocket creative tool. Compact enough to take anywhere, powerful enough to handle anything. But of course, not everything about the Mini 8 is confirmed. The release date, for example, is still a puzzle. Most analysts predict Apple will unveil it in late 2026, possibly alongside the next iPad Air or iPad Pro refresh. That means there's still a long wait ahead. Some even speculate that Apple could delay it further if OLED supply issues arise, since the company wants to perfect the quality before launch. But honestly, if that delay means a better product, most Apple fans will wait patiently, because the payoff will be worth it. And let's not forget battery life. With the combination of an OLED display and the A19 Pro's efficiency, the iPad Mini 8 could see a significant bump in screen-on time, giving users longer productivity and entertainment hours. Whether you're traveling, binge-watching shows, or working remotely, this could be the longest-lasting iPad Mini yet. Now, from a marketing perspective, Apple's strategy here is fascinating. The company has spent years defining its tablet lineup: the entry-level iPad for everyday users, the Air for balanced power, and the Pro for professionals. The Mini sits in a special place. It's the only tablet that blends portability with high performance. And in a world dominated by foldable phones and ultra-large tablets, the Mini's identity as a small but mighty device could make it stand out more than ever. The Mini has a dedicated fan base: pilots, doctors, content creators, and travelers, people who want a premium experience without the bulk. For them, the iPad Mini 8 could be a dream come true. However, there are still skeptics. Some tech analysts wonder if Apple can justify releasing another Mini in 2026 when smartphones are getting bigger and more powerful. But Apple seems to believe there's still a place for a high-end, ultra-portable tablet. And they might be right, because sometimes smaller is smarter. The Mini 8 isn't trying to compete with foldables. It's aiming to be the best small tablet in the world, period. And if Apple nails the pricing, somewhere around $599 to $649, it could dominate its segment. As the rumors swirl, the community's excitement is undeniable. Forums are buzzing with concepts, render leaks, and wishlist features. Everything from new color options to improved cameras with night mode and better microphone arrays for creators. People want the Mini 8 to be not just a companion device, but a main one, capable of replacing laptops for certain users. And from what we've seen, Apple might just make that happen. The brand knows how to build anticipation, and every small leak adds fuel to the fire. Apple doesn't rush, it perfects. That's why when the iPad Mini 8 finally launches, it won't feel like a minor update. It'll feel like a statement. A statement that small can be powerful, that size doesn't define performance, and that Apple's innovation continues to live in every corner of its lineup, no matter how small. So if you're wondering whether to buy the Mini 7 now or wait for the Mini 8, the answer depends on what you want. If you need a tablet today, the Mini 7 is still a fantastic device, fast, modern, and reliable. But if you crave cutting-edge technology, the OLED display, the A19 Pro chip, the next-gen Apple Pencil, and future iPadOS AI features, then waiting might be worth it. Because when the iPad Mini 8 finally arrives, it won't just be an upgrade. It'll be evolution in its purest form. Apple is preparing to make the smallest member of its family the smartest one yet. The Mini 8 isn't about replacing your devices. It's about enhancing your experience. It's about carrying incredible power wherever you go, about bridging the gap between portability and performance. The iPad Mini 8 could be the definition of modern mobility. And if Apple plays it right, this little device might just steal the spotlight from everything else in 2026. So stay tuned, because the Mini revolution is closer than you think. And when it arrives, the world will finally see how big small can really be.